goes down, the stars come out, and all that comes is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
When I feel you shake, chills running down your spine. See baby on this eve, I'm here to blow your mind. I wanna show you things you never thought you'd see, and I'll be your jungle gym, so climb on top of me. All you wanna do, telling me your wildest dreams, but I don't wanna hear you talk, I just wanna hear you scream. Like a horror flick, it should stop now, but I want more of it. And I don't know who's good or bad, but I want you bad, I'm sure of it. Staying in bed for the whole day, she waving at me like Olay. We had that fire sex, so we stopped, dropped, and we role play. She dressed up when I messed up. Anytime you want it, just text up, and I'll be there whenever you need me. But there's something I wanna confess, love, I'm glad you came. And baby, I'm glad you came, cause I love it when you feel no pain, while I be numbing your body like Novocaine. So be easy, just lie back, and we gon' do it big like IMAX on the edge of your seat. So baby, you better be getting ready for the climax. Like
the sun goes down, the stars come out, and all